this is our ALS challenge, and I'm going to challenge Larry and Debbie Kamitsky and Kelly and Rex Womack.
And I want to challenge Jimmy Robinson and Joan Loader. We were challenged by Keith and Regina Childress. So we're going to do the ALS Ice Challenge right now.
We are
James and London Davis. This is our buckets.
Yeah.
This is a real bucket, Keith. It's got handles on it, like a bucket.
And mine's leaking, so I've got to hurry. All right?
1,
2,
2,
3. I brought this